Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Creating Things with Figma. So today we'll be creating a simple logout notification panel. So this is a web interface I created for Paystack. It's just a simple web interface. So this is a page that gives you the option of continuing from where you stopped, or you just log out if you don't want to continue. So now I want to know what happens when you click on the logout button. You know that notification that pops up asking you if you are sure you want to log out. So that is what we want to create today. So let's dive in. You press F. F is to create your frame. Create a simple frame. Just give that frame a dimension of 500 by 500. Change the color, because this frame will be what pops up. So you want to make the color negate that of the background, so it's gonna be here when it pops up. Okay, I've written my text somewhere, so I use an online text editor to clean out any dirt that's on the text. So copy this, paste. Let's increase the size to 30. Zoom in. Change the color of this to white. That's too big. So we decrease this to 24. And centralize it. So that is that. We copy the next text. And paste it soon. You also change the color to white. Then I like to give my text a breaker here. Centralize. So this is where your iteration comes in. You make sure you test, you iterate to until when you get the perfect fit. Let's zoom in to have a clear visual. So regular, reduce the size to say 14. Centralize your texts. Now I want to differentiate. I don't want to use same color that I use for this and this, so I rather just dim the white a little bit. Say just a little bit. And that is good. Then centralize this. Okay. Now my next text is okay. Now I want to let's create the buttons. Create a rectangle. And this is good. And give it a border radius of say 20. No, that's too much. Say 10. This is perfect. This is perfect. I want to differentiate the column, so give it. Let me give it green. Yes, green is better. Or say white. Or dim the white a little bit. Yes. And size of this 14. Okay. Centralize it. So it's not something that is hard. You just need to be patient. You test, you iterate to make sure that you get the perfect fit for whatever you are doing. So I've created the first button. So I'll duplicate. No, let me give this button a background, a blurry background. Okay, drop shadow. I'll give the button a drop shadow. Just make sure that it does not sit on the background. So blur 16. Blur to white. Not too much. Okay, this is good. Then you group both the text and the box by holding down Shift. You select the two, then hold down Control, and you duplicate. Once you duplicate, you copy your next text and you paste. Now we want to differentiate the secondary button from the primary button. Now this is the primary button. Yes, you want to log out. Now this is the secondary button. And because most people, over 80% of mobile users or web users are right-handed, most of the primary buttons are always on the right side of the interface. So we change the color. I want to make sure that this stands out as the primary color, as the primary button. Change it to green. Let's make this our logout a little deeper. Yes, that's perfect. Centralize. Same goes for this. Make it bold a little bit. Centralize. Now this is perfect. I want to group all this. You select all of them and you right click and group all. Select with the frame and centralize. So this is the primary button. This is my primary button and this is my secondary button. And once you are satisfied with this notification bar, you can still edit and re-edit if you are not satisfied with it. But just because of time, I just want to show you guys how simple it is to create a notification bar. So now I think I am okay with this. I am okay with the way my notification bar is. Yes, I think I'm okay. Then I want to go to the prototyping. That is linking this landing page to this notification panel. So I go to prototype. So let me group. I don't think I've grouped these two. So I want to group this logout and this together. Group it. Select all this. Group and convert to components. So for prototyping, click on this. I prototype to this. So what happens when I click on logout? On click, open overlay, should be manual. Now this manual means that where do you want the notification panel to appear whenever you click that logout button. So I want it to be at the center. I also want it to close when I click outside. Then for animation, then just dissolve it. Ease in, ease out. Let's make it 300 ms. Now to make this this notification bar well effective, I need to blur out the main background itself. That is the welcome to Paystack background. So I click on this and make sure that my blur should be around 70%. Click on it and let's see what happens. Let's run the prototype. And this is the interface. So what happens when I click on this? This is what happens when you want to log out. So it asks you, are you sure you want to log out? No, cancel, or yes, log out. But I'm still not satisfied because I can really see my background. So I need to just go back to the prototyping and make background to be like 90%. Go back to this, click on this, and yeah. So you can modify and modify until you are satisfied with what you have. That's the beauty of designing. You modify. So I think this is perfect. Log out. So this is how to create a simple logout notification bar. Thank you for watching.